Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Hello everyone, I am Pauline, the Secondary Coordinator of GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor Banarghetta. I hope everyone knows the speciality of today. Yes, today, 5th of June is celebrated as World Environment Day every year. This day has been set aside to remind us all about the importance of our environment and the need to save our environment. But is one day enough to make up for all the harm that we have done to our environment? We cannot heal the planet in just one day. We need to take care of it every single day. The Environment Day theme for this year is Beat Plastic Pollution. It's no secret that plastic is terrible for the environment. We talk about it all the time, but do we really know how bad the plastic pollution problem is? Every minute of every day, a truckload of plastic is dumped into the ocean. 1 million plastic bottles are bought every minute. 2 million plastic bags are used every minute worldwide. These have a knock-on effect on the balance of nature. Always remember that the gifts and blessings that nature endows on us are priceless. We all can help as individuals, as a community, as a school. We can't wait for someone else to solve these problems. Each of us can make a difference through our simple actions. We at GoldenBee Global School instruct our children to protect our environment. We tell them to carry their own bags when they go for shopping with their parents, thereby reducing the use of plastic bags. We also instruct them to turn off the fans, lights, or any other electrical appliances when not in use, thereby saving the energy. Few may think, if I alone take a step to save the environment, it isn't really going to make a difference, but it does. No matter how small a step you take to lead a greener lifestyle, it does make a difference. Small steps, big impact. So let's start today and make every day an environment day, thereby saving our environment. Thank you.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.